Hi there, my name is Ali. I'm a salesperson here at Orléans Honda. Today we're going to go over on how to properly test drive a vehicle to see if it suits your needs and see if it's the right vehicle for you. So first thing we're going to start with is when you get in the car, you're going to want to adjust it to what you would normally do with your actual vehicle, so that way you're actually comfortable and see if this is the car for you. So you're going to want to do what you got to do. Normally I like to be a little bit closer, or I could even just pull the steering wheel closer to me. So this is how I would normally drive, and that's a good first step. Second thing you want to do is, adjust the mirrors to your liking. Of course, you want to be safe while you're test driving these cars. It's not your car, so you don't want to get in an accident. Once you have your seat adjusted, it's always good to sit in the back seat to see exactly what it would feel like when someone's sitting in the back there. If cargo is important to you, then always take a look under the armrest to see how much space you've got over here, even down in the glove box. Also the trunk, very important, so we'll go out and look at that. There's a set of tires in here, so you could fit at least one body or two in there. I mean tires, sorry. If the tires were in here, I could show you show you where the spare tire goes. And also with Honda's vehicles, you could actually take the seats down just by folding these, so you'll have a 60-40 split back here. Another important thing to do is to drive the car how you would normally drive your vehicle. Reason being is a lot of people are afraid to test drive our test drive units because it's not their car. They're afraid to damage the vehicle, but how are you going to buy a car if you're not fully, living the expectation or the experience of the Honda Civic, for example? So don't be afraid, just drive it how you normally want to, and get comfortable for sure. Be sure to, take it up to the speeds that you would normally be driving at, just because you're getting the full experience that way. Of course, follow the speed limits, because you don't want to go to court, and nor do we. No, neither do we. Something that we at Orléans Honda do is we never sell our test drive units, so that way when customers come in, they actually have something to test drive, which is very hard to find nowadays. A lot of dealers don't have anything in stock. We keep vehicles here for you to test drive. Always test drive the vehicle before you purchase it. You don't buy a pair of shoes without trying them on. This time you're spending a lot of money, so make sure you take it out for a spin. Come see me at Orléans Honda. I work every day, and even when I'm not here, I'm here for you.